So what is my past indefinite tense, right? My past indefinite tense is based upon my avoir and adverb. Repte apne moi s'il vous plaît. My past indefinite tense is based upon my avoir and
Our and adverb.
yes, that's a rule. You know what is the rule? Now, for example, we have a verb parley. Now, देखो क्या होता है कि मैं बोलता हूँ speak spoke, walk walked, see saw, cook cooked, glad, find found, because we learn those verbs by heart or part. I will say, for example, if I am a German guy again, and you have to teach me English, you will say walk walked, then you'll say what is find. I will say if walk walked and find is find it. You will no. There is found. I will say why when walk is walked, then find should be find it. I will say no, please. It should be found because you have to learn by heart. The same thing we have pepe, past, participasse. We have to understand by heart. One thing we have formula also, and one something we have to learn by heart. Clear? Now, one thing you have to understand: if we have a verb ending from er, if we have a verb ending from er, clear? My participasse, bolo. My past participle would be parle, ague, a wala symbol, ague. This is my spoke, clear? For example, we have verb manger. Manger is the verb to eat, clear? So mange, ague is my what? Is my
Eight.
part, past participasse. Say clear. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear हो रहा है? Why? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Please save the previous recording. Please be with me. I'm just saying the previous one. Please be with me. Okay, all right. That's fine. So now, for example, we have verb jouer. For example, we have verb travailler. Repte après moi. Travailler. Travailler is the verb to work. So the travailler past is travailler. E-A-U. So this is my past. Say clear. Is it clear to you? But that's
Yes.
fine. You came to know er ending verb in past will become like ea sound. So e-ague, clear? But what is the formula? If I will say I spoke, that's a formula of French language. I have to use our present tense or at present tense. I will explain to you what are the verbs which fall under the category of être and avoir. But now, for example, if I will say parler, I spoke, say Claire. So, what is the formula of past indefinite tense? Our present tense, our preso plus pepe. So, what is our preso? I spoke. Je is my our preso. Je parle, say Claire. Tell me yes or no. E ague. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes or no. You came to know
Yes.
why? Now, for example, if I will say I ate. So I will say our present tense because in a past indefinite, j'ai mangé. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
Yes,
Mm,
but if you will translate this in English, it will be I have ate.
I have, लेकिन I have जो है ना हमारा I have. We have different sense. We have different formula of I have
Yeah,
it,
I got it. Yeah.
right? So yes,
Mhm.
you can learn like that. That's fine. So we have a verb avoir But now there's a question arise. You will say how I will come to know, like I have to use over here our and where I have used H verb. I will give you H verb. We have only 14, 15 verbs which fall under the category of H, and the rest of the verb we have our conjugation. Clear? Now, par example, repte après moi, aller. Aller is my verb to go, right? So the verbs which they have the movement with the legs. Repeat after me. The verb which they have their movement with the legs, I have to use aller, that we have to use H conjugation. जिन verbs की मेरी leg की movement हो रही है वो मेरी H family verb है. For example, venir. Venir is my verb to come, which is my H family verb. Claire, say Claire. Okay.
Yes.
Passe. Passe is my verb to pass, which is my H family verb. Claire, tell me yes or no. Entree. Entree is my verb to enter, which is my H, because we are using the legs to enter. Sortir. Sortir is my verb to go out. लिखो इसको, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ब. Sortir is to go out. H family verb. Partir is to leave. H family verb. Claire. Arrive is to arrive. H family verb. Claire, because that is to arrive. Say Claire. Tombe. Tombe is to fell down. The moment you fell down with your legs only, you fell down. So this is my H family verb. Say Claire. Revenir. Okay, that's fine. We have natural. Natural we have verb to born. The moment you born, you use, आप अपनी leg की movement करते हो. So these are my H family verb. Say Claire. Descendre. Verb क्या après moi? Descendre. Descendre is to get down. Descendre is to get down.
Yes.
Say Claire. Descendre is my H family verb. Say Claire.
Yes.
Claire, is it clear to you? Now we have monte.
Yes.
Monte is to go up. The moment you climb up, you have to use, because that's legs. So these are my H family verb. We have davnir. Now davnir is my verb to become. Now become, you're not using the leg, but davnir. Why it's H family verb? Because we have vanir, davnir. Vanir, davnir, to become. So these are the verbs which will conjugate with H family verb. The rest we have verb with our family verb. Only you have to understand these verbs. Say Claire, tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
So
What about donce?
don't say is my our family verb. Our family verb. Yes. But don't say is my our family verb. Claire. Say Claire.
And to jump?
Saute. Saute is to jump. Saute. Saute is again your our family verb, because it is just, I'm trying to explain to you how you can learn all these verbs. Say Claire. Now jump, we have saute. Repte après moi. Saute. Saute is to jump, but yes, these are my our family verb. Say Claire. Why? Don't say we have our family verb. So these verbs, these are the verbs, because in these verbs also we are using the leg format. So these are the verbs which will conjugate with my H family verb. So let's go with this. Pepe. What is ale pepe? Tell me. What is the ale pepe? A-L-L-E-A-Q. Say Claire.
Yes.
So this is my ale pepe. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
What is my vanir pepe? Vanir.
Vanille.
Understand? Yes, vanir pepe is vanyu. Learn it out. Vanir pepe is vanyu. Ear is E-L-U. Say Claire. Ear
Yes,
is
sir.
E-L-U. Sortir.
E-U.
Pepe is sorti. Sortir pepe is S-O-R-T-I. Left. Sorry, went out. Say Claire. Partir is
Yes.
left. So partir pepe is P-A-R-T-I. Say Claire. Abhinav, is it clear to you? Because these
Yes.
you have to understand and practice with this verb. Arrive is to arrive. So ER, E-ague. Say Claire. ER, E-ague.
Yes,
Natural.
sir.
Natural paper is again ne. Ne. Natural paper is again ne. E-ague. Ne. E-ague. Descend paper is what? Descend paper is descendu. Descend paper is descendu.
This one.
Up over here we have ear to E-ague. Devenir is devenu because we have venu, devenu. Say Claire. So these are the pepe. Say Claire, tell me yes and no. Now,
Yes.
I got about the ER, but I didn't get the part of IR. So for the IR, we have to put U or just
no,
we
no,
have to
no, no,
drop
no,
the R.
no, no, no. Only because IR we cannot say you because that depend upon my verb because we have to learn this conjugation. Now, for example, we have verb choisir. Choisir. Let me tell you, choisir. One thing you have to understand, see, not in every case, see, but yes, I can give it to the formulas because there is no such formula. Now, for example, if I will say choose, just try to understand in English also, na? Choose, I will say chosen. If I will say why it's not choose, you'll say no. I will say why? When walked is walked, talk is talked, why not choose is choose? I mean, no, please, is chosen. The same thing in French, but not in every case. I will try myself to give you a, the formula with understanding. Like, for example, we have sortir, I ending, partir, I ending, c'est clair. The same with choisir is to choose. We have choisi, that is I ending. So I ending verb will conjugate in past with I, say clair, but not in every case. Say clair. 0.1% we have exception cases also, which we have to figure it out. Say clair.
Okay.
Is
Yes, sir.
Claire? Tell me yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Claire? The choisir is to choose. Pepe is choisi. Now, for example, I will say Ale is to go, right? And I will say now, for example, I will say I went. So what is I went? I will say because Ale is my être family verb. So être present, je suis, zale, e-ague. Say Claire, tell me yes and no. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
One thing you have to
Yes.
understand in être family verb, if you're a female, so you will apply e at the end. But only in case of être, not in our case. Claire? Say Claire, tell me yes and no. You went.
Uh,
Yes.
what
Mhm.
if J Swiss is a female, then we have to put double E.
Yes, yes, yes. We have to put e at the end. Say Claire,
Oh,
but only in case of être, not in our. I will say tu a. You went. Tu es allé. E ague. Now, if tu a is male, that's fine. There is no e. If tu a is girl, that is you have to insert e at the end. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Say Claire. Now, il, elle, a, because we have H family verb. Il, elle, a, he is, ale. So, il, elle, a, tale. Because we have to combine the consonant and the vowel. Say Claire. Now, L, obviously L is my girl. So, I will insert E at the end. So, il, elle, a, tale. Say Claire. Why? Is it clear to you? So, we have nous sommes. Répétez après moi. Nous sommes,
Nous sommes
zale.
allés.
We have ES. Why ES, Abhinav and my teammates? Because if we have a lot of girls, we went of girls, one E for girl and S for plural. Say Claire.
mhm.
And
Okay.
if we have a single boy, or sorry, if we have a lot of boys, so I can only insert S at the end. Say Claire because that's a plural. Say Claire. Why? Is it clear to you? Tell me yes or no.
This thing, the female and the male thing, will only be in the Atre family verb.
Only in as a family verb, not in our part. Claire?
All right.
Why?
Yeah.
So vous êtes allé, vous êtes allé, vous êtes allé, we have EQ. Say Claire, if we have a lot of vous, आप लोग, तो vous êtes allé. Say Claire.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Say Claire, vous êtes allé. So, now répétez après moi. Je suis allé, tu es allé, il, elle est allé, nous sommes allés, vous êtes allés, and il. Plurial, L. Sont, Claire. Now over here we have ALLEAQ. Claire. Claire.
Yes, sir.
So if we have a ill, we have a lot of boys. So I will insert S at the end. Il sont allés, Claire. But if we have a girls, elles sont allées, I can insert ES for a girl and ES. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
In the woo part, we don't put E after. If you want to say she went.
Who? We can say E. If girl, we can say ES. Say Claire.
Okay.
Why?
Yeah.
Say Claire. Now, I will give you now the task. One thing you have to understand. One thing. Listen to me very carefully. Convert. You have to send it your homework, right? Convert all these verbs. Pen down the word, please, your homework. Convert all these verbs with past tense. All verb with past tense, number one task. Clear? Is it clear to you? Can you do that?
Yes.
Now, you will receive your today's session recording. Obviously, you will receive your recording today for today's session. But I will share 3-4 videos of my previous sessions. You need to watch those. Mandate. It is mandate. Say Claire. And you will submit. You have to watch those. You have to write it down. Claire, you have to write it down. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? And if you have any doubt, then you can raise it up. Because those sessions are very, very important, which I'm going to share with you. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Those sessions we have covered again, present, past, lamp, participle with phrases. We have phrases also on those sessions. Say Claire. Why? Say Claire. So submit your task now. So your task would be, I will be share 3-4 videos of the live sessions. Watch those videos, submit those videos, pen down, send it back to me on the WhatsApp. Can you do that? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now your task is convert all these things in past. We'll share 3-4 videos, Claire, and share your task, please. Say Claire. Why? Say Claire, mademoiselle.
Yes, sir.
Claire, करोगे?
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
चलो, भेजो.
What is the meaning of why, you say?
What is the meaning of?
Why?
अच्छा, why? We, yes.
Oh, you say we. Okay.
Okay. Why? Yes. Say Claire. Okay.
I
Yes,
thought the
sir.
pronunciation is we.
That's we. You know, in English, yeah. Why? That's the sense. Say Claire.
Okay.
We. That we only. But why? Say Claire. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
ठीक है. चलो, मेरे को आप भेजो, फिर टास्क भेजो मेरे को आप, फिर मैं आपको कुछ वीडियोस और शेयर करूंगा, उसको भी देखना है. देन सो दैट कि हम नेक्स्ट सेशन में जो स्टोरी मेकिंग हम कर रहे थे, जो हमारी रह गई है, उसको हम कंप्लीट करें. क्लियर? ओके.
Yeah.
ठीक है, भेजो मेरे को.
ये अभी भेजना है?
हाँ, अगर अभी टाइम अभी भेज दो, जब भी टाइम लगे मुझे भेज देना, बट बिफोर योर सेशन. कल के सेशन से पहले भेजना आप मेरे को. क्लियर?
सर एक्चुअली मैं हर सैटरडे क्लास नहीं लगा पाऊंगी,
कोई
तो
बात नहीं,
पिछली
रिकॉर्डिंग देखना आप.
को रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं मिली थी पिछली बार की, तो
एक
प्लीज कल कर लेना.
हाँ, कोमल आप क्या कह रहे हो, आप बताओ क्या कह रहे हो आप?
ने बोला सैटरडे क्लास अटेंड नहीं करती हूँ ना, तो लास्ट सैटरडे भी मैंने रिकॉर्डिंग के लिए बोला था तो नहीं मिली थी, तो कल भी
लास्ट
मैं अटेंड।
लास्ट सैटरडे
तो
रिकॉर्डिंग शायद हो नहीं पाई थी, लेकिन मैं इस सैटरडे रिकॉर्डिंग करके आपको भेजूंगा। क्लियर? ओके।
ओके।
ठीक है, आपको फिर रिकॉर्डिंग
यस।
देखनी है, और अभी मैं आपसे 5-4 रिकॉर्डिंग भी शेयर कर रहा हूँ, उसको भी देखना है। क्लियर?
ओके।
ठीक है।
यस।
ऑफ वार आप भी हैं तो
au revoir.